Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody's staying safe. We have Prime Day going on right now, so definitely check them out. Click the link down below. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And we shall see who this is from. I have no clue. Oh. Alright. So we got two separate videos. This is coming from my good friends over at... Who are these guys? Elink Smart. It's been a while since I did a video for them. But they got a lot of cool smart locks. You name it, they have it. Even smart fridge locks. Here we go. Now this is a smart padlock. Fingerprint app control. Really nice. Fingerprint app. USB. Status indicator. Waterproof. So really cool thing to have. Especially now. Especially if you work. School. Be good for many other things. Keep your stuff safe. It should be an easy setup. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi password and all that good stuff. Download the app. Probably the Smart Link app. Or Link Smart. Yeah, Link Smart. Link Smart. So, here she is. Ooh. Pretty cool. Bam. I gotta set that thing up. Here's the USB. Basic one. Now, like I said, got the warranty card. Yes, Link Smart. Or E-Smart Lock. That's what it'll be called for the Google and the App Store. E-Smart Lock. So, backup phone time. But yeah, definitely check these guys out. See what other goodies they have to offer. And it'll be a nice gift. Either back to school. Or for work, like I said. For your gym stuff. E-Smart Lock. Give me a second. I'm logging in. Come on. Yeah, here it is. I already have it installed. Just got to enable it. I forgot what it was. It's probably for a couple years ago video. Oh, yes, my phone not working. Come on. And now I'm doing a quick update. Because like I said, it's been a while. But easy, just create a profile. They'll send you info to your email. And then register. You're good to go. I will be right back. Alright, right now we just locating my device. Might have to turn it on. There it is. See how easy that was? Don't mind this little dot. It's water damage from my phone, not the app. The app is working great. It's going to take a second. Change name. The lock. There we go. I think. Okay, we could set up the fingerprint. Just down.
Please press the fingerprint on the fingerprint lock.
One. Oh, and fingerprint lock. Okay, so.
Recording failed. Please press the finger.
One.
Please record again. Please record again. Please record again. Please record again. Entry successful.
Booyah. Booyaka. Snout. Okay. Now what? Modify. No more data. Authorized management. Boom. See that? Now it's open. Now we close. And right here. Come on. Boom. So you can lock anything up in your bike. Ain't no one can get it. Here's a fingerprint. Boom. So I mean, I could try like this. Since I know it works great. And no one's gonna snoop around. Now I'm gonna use a mini fridge for the other one. Well, maybe not. I can't use that. Hold on. Try to figure out something to lock up. Maybe my little baggie here. I'm gonna get this going. There we go. But yeah, you can have anything. Your duffel bag, school bag. You name it. Anything that you want to have your stuff secured. And you can see how easy it is to set up. Like I just did. It only took me a few seconds. But just try to find something to lock up. So, alright. There we go. Now I got it through this one. And now I can lock it. And now we are locked. Ain't no one gonna get into my duffel bag. My mini satchel. And then boom. Boom. Magic. Really cool. And then there's the USB. That's where you charge it. So there you go. Alright there. And your guys good to go. Alright, so definitely check them out. I'll leave the affiliate link down below. Click on that and see you in the next video.